Hello everyone, am I audible? Am I audible? Please let me know. Please let me know if I'm audible here. So, on behalf of Intelletics, I welcome you all and let's start with the chemistry paper solving session. The sixth paper solving session for 10th standard ICSE Chemistry. So, without wasting time, we're starting with this. Question number 1. The element which has the highest ionization potential is dash. A. Is it helium? B. Is it lithium? C. Is it fluorine? D. Is it carbon? So answer me for this question. Hi Samana. Hi Kanak. Hi Arushi. So the correct answer for this question is helium. So the element which has the highest ionization potential is helium. So Kanak, बच्चा आप कनक and Samana आप गलत गए हो. So please remember this point. Helium has the highest ionization potential. Coming to the next question, number 2. The number of single covalent bond and lone pair electrons in ammonia is dash. A. 1 single bond and 2 lone pairs. B. 3 single bond and 1 lone pair. C. 2 single bond and 3 lone pairs. D. 1 single bond and 3 lone pairs. So the number of single covalent bond and lone pair electrons in ammonia is dash. So answer me for this question. And the correct answer for this question is 3 single bonds and 1 lone pair of electrons in ammonia. So Samana, Kanak, Kavya, Arushi, ab sab sahi ho. Very good. Question number 3. A solution of iron chloride has pH less than 7. So what is the nature of the solution? A. Acidic. B. Alkaline. C. Neutral. D. None of these. So answer me for question number 3. The solution of iron chloride with a pH less than 7. Question is quite easier to solve. So the answer is it's acidic. Friends, remember below 7 it's acidic, 7 is neutral, and above 7 it's alkaline. Coming to the next question, number 4. How many valence electrons are present in the valence shell of the element with atomic number 80? A. 10. B. 6. C. 2. D. 8. So what should be the answer for question number 4? How many valence electrons are present in the valence shell of the element with atomic number 18? And it would be 8. So coming to the next question, number 5. Relation between molecular weight and vapor density. A. Molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. B. Molecular weight is equal to vapor density by 2. C. Molecular weight is equal to vapor density. D. Molecular weight into vapor density is equal to 2. So what is the relation between molecular weight and vapor density? So answer me for question number 5. So the correct answer for question number 5 is molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. Coming to the next, that is question number 6. A compound X consists of only molecules. Choose the correct statement from the options given below to identify the property of compound X. A. Is it a crystalline hard structure? B. Is it a low melting point and a low boiling point? C. Is it an ionic bond? D. Is it a strong force of attraction between its molecules? So the answer, come on, think about question number 6. Question number 6. What should be the answer? A compound X consists of only molecules. So which is the correct statement from the options given? And the correct answer is B, that is a low melting point and a low boiling point. So Kavya, Kanak, Samana, Arushi, आप सबका आंसर करेक्ट है. Going ahead to question number 7. Which of the following hydroxides is not an alkali? A. Copper hydroxide. B. Ammonium hydroxide. So what should be the answer for question number 7? Which of the following hydroxides is not an alkali? So the correct answer is copper hydroxide. So copper hydroxide is not an alkali. Coming to the next question number 8. A formula which shows the simplest whole number ratio. A. Molecular weight. B. Empirical formula. C. Vapor density. D. Molar mass. So which is the formula which shows the simplest whole number ratio? Answer me for question number 8. So the correct answer for this question is B, that is empirical formula. So the empirical formula shows the simplest whole number ratio. Coming to the next question number 9. An element Z has atomic number 16. Write the formula of the compound formed between Z and hydrogen. The options are A. HZ, B. H2Z4, C. HZ2, D. H2Z. The correct answer for this question is H2Z. So an element Z has atomic number 16. So the formula of the compound formed between Z and hydrogen will be H2Z. So ninth answer would be D. Coming to the next question, number 10. The salt in solution gives a dirty green precipitate with sodium hydroxide solution, and a white precipitate with barium chloride solution is dash. A. Iron chloride. B. Iron sulfate. C. Iron sulfate, that is iron 2 sulfate. D. Iron 3 chloride. So first option is iron into brackets 2 chloride. Second, B option is iron into brackets 3 sulfate. C, iron into brackets 2 sulfate. And option D, iron into brackets 3 chloride. So a salt in solution gives a dirty green precipitate with sodium hydroxide solution and a white precipitate with barium chloride solution is, which is it? The answer is C, that is iron into brackets 2 sulfate. Very good, Samana and Kanak and Kavya. Coming to the next question, number 11. A substance which turns moist starch iodide paper blue. Very good, Dhruv Tomar. You also got it right. A substance which turns moist starch iodide paper blue. A. Is it lead carbonate? B. Is it chlorine? C. Is it copper nitrate? D. Is it magnesium sulfate? So answer me for question number 11. So the correct answer for question number 11 is B. So chlorine turns moist starch iodide paper blue. Coming to the next, question number 12. An element in period 3 whose electron affinity is 0. An element in the period 3 whose electron affinity is 0 is dash. A. Neon. B. Sulfur. C. Argon. D. Sodium. So what should be the answer for question number 12? So the correct answer for question number 12 is C, that is argon. So it's argon, which is an element in the period 3 whose electron affinity is 0. Coming to the next question, number 13. The relative molecular mass of this compound is 168. So what is its molecular formula? A. C2H4Cl2. B. CHCl. C. CH2Cl. D. C2H2Cl4. So the relative molecular mass of the compound is 168. So what will be its molecular formula? The options I'm repeating: A. C2H4Cl2, B. CHCl, C. CH2Cl, D. C2H2Cl4. So what should be the answer for question number 13? And the correct answer for this question would be, I want the students also to answer: Dhruv, Tomar, Samana, Dhruv Girish, Kanak Kapil, Arushi, Kipana, Kavya J. Please answer, but correct answer for this question would be D. C2H2Cl4. Killer CR7, बचा आंसर D रहेगा. It's not C. Please check. Question number 14. Select the ion in each case that would get selectively discharged from the aqueous mixture of the ions listed below. A. SO4 2-, B. NO3, C. OH-, D. CO3 2-. So select the ion in each case that would get selectively discharged from the aqueous mixture of the ions listed below. So what should be the answer for question number 14? And the correct answer is C, that is OH-. Almost everybody has got it right. Very good. Kanak Kapil, Kavya J, Samana Deshpande, Arushi Shah, Dhruv Girish, Killer CR. Very good, very good. Now, coming to the next question number 15. A compound in which shared pair of electrons are unequally distributed between the two atoms is known as dash. A. Non-polar covalent compound. B. Polar covalent compound. C. Coordinate compound. D. Electrovalent compound. And the correct answer for this question is it's B. Polar covalent compound. So a compound in which the shared pair of electrons are unequally distributed between the two atoms is known as polar covalent compound. Going ahead to question number 16. A chloride which forms a precipitate that is insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide is dash. A. Calcium chloride. B. Ferrous chloride. C. Ferric chloride. D. Copper chloride. So the correct answer for question number 16 is C. Ferric chloride. So ferric chloride forms a precipitate that is insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Coming to the next, it's not B and C, Samana, it's C. Question number 70. The electrolyte used for electroplating an article with silver. A. Aqueous solution of nickel sulfate. B. Aqueous copper sulfate. C. Molten lead bromide. D. Aqueous solution of silver argentocyanide. Samana Deshpande, bacha, it's not B and C. You have to go for most correct answer. Okay. Screen is not blurred. I suppose there is some technical issue at your end. Killer CR7, you find the screen to be blurred? Just a moment. Question number 17. Your answer is D. Aqueous solution of silver argentocyanide is the electrolyte which is used for electroplating an article with silver. Okay, coming to the next question number 18. A yellow monoxide that dissolves in hot and concentrated alkali. Acha, there's one thing I would like to tell you, killer CR7. Since you find that the screen is a little blurred, please change the settings. Go to the settings and change the video quality to 720p from the settings option. Okay, killer CR7. Please change the video quality to 720p from the settings option so that you can see the screen clear. So, question number 18. A yellow monoxide that dissolves in hot and concentrated alkali. A. Lead hydroxide. B. Lead oxide. C. Magnesium oxide. D. Calcium oxide. So, a yellow monoxide that dissolves in hot and concentrated alkali. What should it be? And the correct answer for question number 18 is lead oxide. So it's a lead oxide which is a yellow monoxide that dissolves in hot and concentrated alkali. So your answer for 18th question is B. Very good. Samana Deshpande correct. Kanak Kapil correct. Killer 7, CR7 correct. Very good. Question number 19. Gelatinous white precipitate soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide is dash. A. Is it calcium hydroxide? B. Is it magnesium hydroxide? C. Is it zinc hydroxide? D. Is it lead hydroxide? And the correct answer for this question is C. Zinc hydroxide. Okay, so the gelatinous white precipitate that is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide is zinc hydroxide. Almost everybody has got it correct. Very good, Bata Party. Very good. Question number 20. An alkaline earth metal is dash. A. Is it potassium? B. Is it calcium? C. Is it lead? D. Is it copper? So the answer for question number 20. An alkaline earth metal is correct answer for this question is calcium. So the alkaline earth metal is calcium. Coming to the next, that is question number 21. Atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. What is its vapor density? A. 71, B. 32, C. 35.5, D. 70. So the atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. What is its vapor density? So, come on, children, answer. Yes, the correct answer for this question is C, 35.5. So when the atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5, its vapor density is also equal to 35.5. Going ahead to question number 22, name the product formed at the cathode during the electrolysis of aqueous, that is copper 2 sulfate solution using copper electrodes. A. Is it sulfate ions? B. Is it hydroxide ions? C. Is it water? D. Is it copper metal? So what is the answer for question number 22? The correct answer is D, that is copper metal. So the product formed at the cathode during the electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate solution using copper electrodes is copper metal. That is 22nd का answer होगा D. Going ahead to question number 23. When fused lead bromide is electrolyzed, it is observed a silver gray deposit at anode and a reddish brown deposit at cathode. B. A silver gray deposit at cathode and a reddish brown deposit at anode. C. A silver gray deposit at cathode and reddish brown fumes at anode. D. A silver gray fumes at anode and reddish brown fumes at cathode. Answer me for question number 23. And the correct answer for this question will be C. A silver gray deposit at cathode and reddish brown fumes at anode. Going to the next, that is question number 24. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Ionization potential increases over a period from left to right because dash. A. Atomic radius increases and nuclear charge increases. B. Atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge decreases. C. Atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. D. Atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. And the correct answer for this question is B. Atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. Ionization potential increases for over a period from left to right because atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. Coming to the next question, number 25. Identify the property from the following that is not exhibited by ionic compounds. A. Solubility in water. B. Conduction of electricity in molten state. C. Conduction of electricity in solid state. D. High melting point. And the correct answer for this question is C. Conduction of electricity in the solid state. This is not a property exhibited by ionic compounds. Going to the next question, number 26. A metal that evolves a gas which burns with a pop sound when boiled with alkali solution is dash. I repeat, a metal that evolves a gas which burns with a pop sound when boiled with alkali solution is dash. A. Is it lead? B. Is it zinc? C. Is it calcium? D. Is it magnesium? So what should be the answer for question number 26? So the correct answer for question number 26. Answer for question number 26 is B, zinc. So the metal that evolves a gas which burns with the pop sound when boiled with alkali solution is zinc. Question number 27. A chocolate brown oxide which becomes colorless on addition of hot caustic soda solution is dash. A. Is it lead 4 oxide? B. Is it zinc oxide? C. Is it calcium oxide? D. Is it magnesium oxide? So a chocolate brown oxide which becomes colorless on addition of hot caustic soda solution is dash. So answer me for question number 27. And the correct answer for this question is lead 4 oxide. So lead 4 oxide is a chocolate brown oxide that becomes colorless on addition of hot caustic soda solution. Question number 28. The ions which impart acidic properties to an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride. A. Is it hydronium? B. Is it hydroxyl ion? C. Is it chlorine? D. Is it hydrogen? So, the correct answer for question number 28. So, the ions which impart acidic properties to an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride is hydrogen. Quite an easy question to answer. Question number 29. Metals lose electrons during ionization. This change can be called as dash. A. Is it reduction? B. Is it oxidation? C. Is it redox? D. Is it displacement? So what should be the answer for question number 29? Again, quite a easy question to answer. So the answer for this question is B, that is oxidation. So metals lose electrons during ionization and this stage can be called as oxidation. Going ahead to question number 30. The metal oxide which can react with an acid as well as an alkali is dash. A. Is it copper 2 oxide? B. Is it calcium oxide? C. Is it aluminium oxide? D. Is it silver oxide? So answer me question number 30. So answer me for question number 30. And the correct answer for this question is aluminium oxide. So aluminium oxide is a metal oxide which can react with an acid as well as an alkali. Coming to question number 31. A solid non-metal belonging to the third period has atomic number dash. A, is it 8? B, is it 10? C, is it 15? D, is it 90? So answer me for question number 31. A solid non-metal belonging to the third period has atomic number dash. And the correct answer for question number 31 is C, 50. So the solid non-metal belonging to the third period has atomic number 50. Coming to the next question number 32. During the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution, the mass of the anode generally remains dash. A, same. B, decreases. C, increases. D, none of these. So answer me for question number 32. During the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution, the mass of the anode generally remains dash. So here, question number 32, the answer is B. So during the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution, the mass of the anode generally decreases. Question number 33. Which of the following is correct? A. The metal to be plated on the article is placed at the cathode. B. The metal to be plated on the article is placed at the anode. C. For electroplating, high amount of electricity is supplied for a longer time. D. All are correct statements. So what should be the answer? The answer is B. The metal to be plated on the article is placed at the anode. Going to the next question number 34. If an element A belongs to P, so answer me for question number 34. And the correct answer for this question is A. It will have 3 shells and 2 valence electrons. So if an element A belongs to the period 3 and group 2, then it will have 3 shells and 2 valence electrons. Coming to the next question, question number 35. The acid which contains 4 hydrogen atoms is dash. A. Sulfuric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Nitric acid. D. Phosphoric acid. So what should be the answer for question number 35? Friends, I understand that there is a big lag. So I'm not taking up your names right now, but I hope you're solving them correct. So the acid which contains 4 hydrogen atoms is So the correct answer, the salt solution which does not react with ammonium hydroxide is D, that is calcium nitrate. Coming to the next question, number 37. Four elements A, B, C, D of the same period have the following atomic numbers. A is equal to 12, B is equal to 17, C is equal to 18, and D is equal to 11. So the first sub-question in this is, which element has the lowest electron affinity? A, is it A? B, is it B? C, is it C? D, is it D? So the correct answer for this question is D. D is the element which will have the lowest electron affinity. Going to the next question, number 37. I'm reading this question again so that it should help you. Four elements A, B, C, D of the same period have the following atomic numbers. A with atomic number 12, B with 17, C with 18, and D with 11. Which element has the highest electron affinity? A, is it A? B, is it B? C, is it C? D, is it D? And the correct answer for this question, that is the four elements which have been mentioned, the element that would have the highest electron affinity will be the element B with the atomic number being 70. Going to the next question, number 37, the same question, sub-question would change. So please remember A is with atomic number 12, B with 17, C with 18, and D with 11. The question C says, which element has the largest atomic size? A, is it A? B, is it B? C, is it C? D, is it D? So the correct answer for question number 37C is D. So the element which will have the largest atomic size will be D. Going ahead with question number 37. Four elements A, B, C, D of the same period with the atomic number A being 12, B being 17, C being 18, and D is 11. The question is, type of the bond between D and B would be dash. A, covalent bond. B, electrovalent bond. C, coordinate bond. D, none of these. And the correct answer, सोचो सोचो बच्चों आंसर दो. And the correct answer for this question is A, covalent bond. So friends, we have completed sixth paper solving session of Chemistry 10th Standard ICSE. Four more to go, so please stay connected. Okay, we have good time. take a break of 10 minutes and we shall be connecting back again. Okay, and I'm sure these sessions will help you. So, friends, please, 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 if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Do hit the like button and the bell icon so that you will get to know for the next session when we come live stream. Thank you so much.